How to fix invalid code on Roblox Redeem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. When you are redeeming a code on Roblox, if it notifies you such as invalid code, you need to check for a couple of things. Now over here, first thing first, always check if the code has an expiration date. You can find the expiration date of the code at the bottom of the code, or if you are using a gift card, it will be engraved over there. So always check for the expiration date. Next, ensure or double check the code that you have entered on your Roblox. Make sure you have entered the correct code to redeem. Another thing is that if you face any of the network issue, this might be the reason why it says invalid code. Now to fix it, you can swipe down the notification panel and turn off your Wi-Fi connection. Then again, enable your airplane mode. Wait for up to 3 to 5 seconds, then you can turn off your airplane mode and connect to a different Wi-Fi connection or cellular data. Once you do so, launch your Roblox again and try to enter the code. Now, if you cannot do so, there might be a bug or a glitch issue. To fix it, press and hold onto the application, head to App Info. Now over here, tap on Force Stop, then OK. Then head to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. This will help you to resolve your issue. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.